Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing. Welcome, creators, back to Creating with Miss K. In today's video, I am taking part in an open collaboration hosted by the Heaven's Pearls. The theme for tonight is Black Radiance. We were asked to decorate an area of our home using the colors black, red, green, and gold. With using these colors, we will be honoring Black History Month. On my dining room table, I'm using a black tablecloth. Black represents the people, strength, and influence. The next color that I'll be putting on my table will be the color gold. Gold represents the richness of the people. The green is for the earth, evolution, growth, and progress, and the fertility of the land. So I'm placing these green placemats on top of the gold runner, which is on top of the black tablecloth. The last color, which is red. Red represents life, blood, family, vitality, and oneness. And together you have your black, green, gold, and red. This open collaboration, which is hosted by the Heaven's Pearls, focus on the fruit of the Holy Spirit each month. The fruit for the month of February is patience. And without patience, you cannot persevere. So as I continue to show you my tablescape that I put together, I'm going to read to you a quote by the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Yes, ladies, yes, gentlemen. And this journey here on YouTube and in life in general, things get hard, but you have to keep going. It takes patience. It takes hard work. It takes prayer. So hang in there with whatever you do. I would like to thank the ladies of the Heaven's Pearls once again for hosting this wonderful open collaboration titled Black Radiance in honor of Black History Month. Every day, we should honor each other, honor life in itself. I will have listed in my description box the names and the links to all the members of the Heaven's Pearls. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this has enlightened you on Black History Month. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.